Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the PS5 error code NW-102216-2 in 2026. So this particular error is mainly relating to the network connection failures, meaning your console is unable to properly connect to the internet or PlayStation network. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you can try is you can manually reconnect to your internet. For that, you just have to go to the settings of your PS5. Inside the settings, simply look for the option of network. When you are here inside network, simply select the option of settings. Inside settings, you will find the option that says set up internet connection. From here, you can select your current Wi-Fi network, then choose forget, and then you can reconnect it by entering the password again. This particular step is going to refreshes your connection and also removes any of the saved network glitches. Now, if you are using Wi-Fi, signal strengths can also affect the connectivity. So you need to make sure that your PS5 is closer to the router and away from the obstacles like walls or other electronic devices. A stronger signal is also going to help you prevent this type of error from appearing. Now, if you are using any kind of VPNs or proxies on your network, you need to immediately disable them. These services can also interfere with the PlayStation network's connectivity and also trigger this error. So finally, you can check if the router firmware is up to date. Outdated router softwares can also cause the compatibility issues with the newer devices like PS5. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.